I have to replace this washing machine today. It's faulty. The drum is loose. It's falling down. Everything. Integrated one. So we have to take off the door from here. And then isolate from there. Take off the supply hose. And take off the drainage hose from here. You have to disconnect this plug from the socket. That's what the machine did. Block something is doing. It blew up or something grinded inside the machine. I've cleaned where the washing machine is gonna station. This is the new machine.
Forever. See how Elise has got her attitude and.
It is. So I've removed the transit bolts and cut the ends. Put in the supply hose. Drainage hose is already there. I have to connect them and test. The supply hose is in. The drainage hose is in. Tight and secured. Washing machine is in. Integrated door is on. I just have to test it and see. Testing. Testing. It's working.